Now, Git is a lot more than just going through time, going through individual commits. It also lets you try out things. Let's imagine you are working on your AnyLogic model. You want to create or test this new feature. You don't quite know how to do this. We've all been there. So it would be nice to try your one idea and see if that gets you to the goal. Now in Git, you can do exactly that. You can what's called branch off your model. So this is your normal development branch. And you branch off and say, let me try something. And on that separate trial branch, you do your commits just as usual. And at some point you realize, that was a bad idea. What you can easily do is just completely delete this entire branch, and you're going to be thrown back to square one. And you can try a different idea on a new branch. You can have several branches in parallel. That's not a problem at all. So you are very flexible. Now, that helps a lot by working alone, but if you think about this branch concept, it takes you a lot further. Let's have a look at this setup. I could be one developer working on the same model and branching off in the morning to my Ben branch and doing the stuff I'm supposed to do for myself for the day. My co-developer Jane just branches off the model as well, and she's doing her work. Completely separate from myself, we don't get into each other's ways, but still all our work is saved along the way. Now, if you think further, obviously this will raise a big problem, and this is where Git really starts to shine. How on earth do we bring this back together? How can my model changes from my branch and Jane's model changes from her branch be brought back together into one model so her work is saved and works and my work is saved and works? We'll explore that in the next video.